Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook password. First open Play Store and check Facebook update. Now update your Facebook app. Now open Facebook. Now click your Facebook 3-line option. Scroll down and click Setting and Privacy. Click Setting option. Click here Password and Security. Now click Change Password. Now type your correct password. Choose a new password and retype this password. Now click Change Password. By doing this process, you can easily change your password. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.